And I thank you that you bless the hands that prepared this food, Lord. With sorry. You have blessed us tremendously in what that? We hear one phone voice.
Phone. Who for phone that?
Outside.
Your phone that? Yeah, definitely.
Hush, mommy. Remember, mommy out there on a living room, right? Jesus. Spit it out because you don't want your belly full of.
I get them. Woo! Man, that food.
You know, if you say earring, make you look like a big man.
True.
I true. Tell me that talk when say you don't want to do no editing, you know, me say as we done with thing in the park, Irwin. Yeah man, just fix up that man. Yeah man, come in and marry.
So what should I do?
Yep. I'm gonna do this voice over, but we're just gonna do it now so we can start. Up to then, Cheryl.
Yes,
Time for
mama. Well, give them that or nobody give them that.
Yeah,
just
man.
look up.
We're gonna say, yes, mama. Houghton and Cheryl.
Yes, mama.
Time for the eating the dinner. 1 hour need for prayer.
Portion type down now?
Portion time, many portions.
Alright, many portion.
Us big and strong, and so that. So you're closing. What do you think?
It no must, but.
Mommy! Alright, Masha. Come right this way with the camera now.